Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by narrowing what you sell and who will buy it. This shapes sourcing, pricing, and marketing. Once chosen, register the business name and choose an entity type to protect personal assets and simplify taxes. Make sure to open a business bank account, set bookkeeping routines, and get an EIN if you plan to hire or separate taxes. These early legal and financial steps let you operate confidently and accept payments without later rework. Next, you secure product supply and construct the storefront. Pick a fulfillment model because it dictates margins, shipping, and storage. Once decided, select a platform that fits scale and integrations. Make sure payment gateways and mobile checkout work. Create product pages with clear sizing charts, professional photos, accurate SKUs, and concise, benefit-focused descriptions. Also set shipping rules, taxes, and return policies so customers know expectations. This middle phase ties operations to customer experience and protects margins. You finish by launching strategically. Start with a soft launch to your list and a few targeted ads, then scale what works. Once live, monitor conversion rate, average order value, customer acquisition cost, and return rate so you can prioritize fixes. If sales lag or carts abandon, test pricing, checkout flow, and product messaging. If returns spike, refine size guides and quality checks. Make incremental changes and retest. This measurement-led closeout turns launch energy into steady revenue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.